Hello guys! Today I'll be teaching you Red Velvet's new song, Psycho. I'll only be teaching the chorus, so I hope you're okay with that. Keep in mind this video is going to be mirrored, so it's much easier to follow. And yeah, let's begin. Alright, so we start with the part where they say, "You got me feeling like a psycho." That's the start of the chorus. When they say feeling, we're gonna go out with our left foot, and our right hand is going to be on our left hip, and our left hand is going to be on our right shoulder. We're going to do that all at once, so it's gonna look like this. At the same time, we're gonna bend our body kind of thing a bit backwards, and our head is gonna go a little to the right, like this. Still gonna look forward, so it's gonna look like "You got me feeling," and then like I'm just gonna stand real quick, and when they say psycho, we're gonna go out again with that right, and our two, we're gonna make this like we're crazy in our heads kind of thing. They're not gonna like follow each other, they're gonna have their own little thing. We're gonna do that a couple of times. So let's take it from the start. You got me feeling like a psycho. When we do this, our left foot is gonna point a bit. We're not gonna like take up from the ground. We're gonna just point a bit while we do this psycho. We're gonna go in. I think was that right? Yeah. And we're gonna make this little gun thing. After that, we go out again, and our guns are gonna come over here to our head, pointing at our head. And then we're gonna point them upwards, and our left leg or foot is gonna come like over our right. While we do that, our head can just make it a little tilt to the right. So it's gonna look like, we're gonna take it from the start. You got me feeling like a psycho. We're gonna go up, and then when we've done that, we're gonna point them to our head again, and we're gonna take our right foot this time over our left and do this little cut tilt again. Yes. So we've done that. We're gonna take our right back, and then our two guns here we have, they're gonna point out 2 times. First in our head direction kind of thing, over with our head, and then our shoulder. While we do that, our body is gonna go to the right, and when we do with our shoulder length here with our guns, we're gonna make this little pop, and like our whole body weight is gonna like be on our right. Alright, so it's like, you got me feeling like a psycho. In, out, do, and pop. Alright. Now we're gonna do something, a lot of things all at once. We're gonna step in and take with our right, and our left is gonna lift like this. We're gonna do this 4 times before the next move. While we do that, our hands are gonna do this little, we're gonna hit a table kind of thing, but only just for a second, because then we're gonna like take it back, down our back, you know, yeah. So it's gonna look like this, yeah. And when we lift it again, we're gonna make this, we're gonna roll our arms kind of thing, and after that we're gonna lift it the 3rd time, and when we do that, our hands gonna like push like out, like you're swimming or something. Up. Alright. And then you're not gonna do something at the last or the 4th time you lift up your leg. When we've done that, we're gonna go a little bit to our left. Our hands are gonna come out like this, and we're gonna take some small steps while our knees go out from each other. We're gonna do that 3 times. So it's like 1, 2, 3, and at 4 we're gonna pop. Our body weight is gonna go on the left. Our right is gonna go out a bit, and our hands are gonna come over me like pop. I'm gonna do that all at once, yes. So it's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Alright. We're gonna take it from here, okay? Okay. Hit. Roll. Out. Nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we've done that, we're gonna pull something up with our right. While we do that, we're not gonna do anything with our legs. We're just gonna pull something, and then our left is gonna come back here. It's gonna go pretty fast, actually. I'm gonna go back, and our right is gonna come over our left now. When it hits the ground, our right should be here on our right hand. And we're gonna make this crazy thing with our left hand. Only left hand, not both. You can do some like light body waves, not like a lot, just a little bit to make some movements, you know. Cycle, right? And we're gonna kind of throw our leg down here. When we do that, our hand should be here when we hit the ground with it, like this. And then we should look back while it hits the ground. So it's gonna look like this. We're gonna look forward, and then we're gonna slide to the right while we like kind of just throw our left away. When we've done that, we're gonna take a step back with our left, and we're gonna throw it a bit again, just lightly. Yeah. And then we're gonna go back with our right foot. When we've done that, we're gonna pull these kind of in fists on our back again, like we did here, just not hitting something, we're just gonna pull them back. And while we do that, we're gonna step back with our right foot, and just a little bit with our left, so they're gonna be on the same place. And we should do this little knot, like don't mess with me, like. Yeah. Now, here comes the legendary move you already know, like if you've seen the music video, like. Alright, we're gonna like kind of slide to the right with our body. We're gonna do that like we're pushing ourselves a bit with our left. While we do that, our knees are gonna come out, and they're gonna come out again while we're not off like we did before we started this move. So, if we take it from while we do this, right? So we're gonna throw, back, forth, slide, left, right, nod, right, nod, and we're gonna do the same, just to the left, left, nod. We're gonna, I'm gonna go a bit forward so it's more clear to see, but you're not gonna do that. And we're gonna go back with our right, and while we do that, we can just shift our weight a bit to the one we're walking on, so it's like right. And we're gonna have our left hand into fists, and it's gonna go here on our left hip a little bit forward. When we do that, we're gonna go back with our left again, and when we do that, we are gonna have two now fists. They're gonna do a little X thing and then come out, like a little elegant, you know. So we're gonna have it here, and then, yes. We're gonna go on the right again, and now we're gonna clap 2 times, first in head length, then in shoulder length or chest, the chest area. So it's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3, and on 4, we're gonna go back with our left again, and this time we're just gonna make this pushing thing again, like when we do this and push, we're gonna do this again. Not when we just don't do that, you know. Yeah. We're gonna take this from here again, okay? Alright. Throw, back, forth, slide to the right, out, down, nod, right, nod, left, nod. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're gonna do the same move again like we did here. Again, 3 times. I'm not sure if this is correct because I've seen different covers of the song already, and they're doing different things actually here. So I'm just gonna do my own little thing, or what I think is like the easiest kind of, like what makes most sense in my head. We're gonna do this 3 times again, and we're gonna pop, and we're gonna pull like we did before. Go back with our left, and front with our right. Now we're not gonna have this here this time. We're gonna have both of our hands here doing this crazy move, and now they're actually copying each other. They're not doing this. They're like copying each other. Yes. We're gonna do this lightly. Body weight again. Nothing big. Just lightly. And we're gonna throw our leg again. Look back, forth, and instead of throwing it while we slide to the right, we're just gonna like have it go down here from our right shoulder to our left hip, kind of. It's gonna look like this, or from here, this, right? And then last we're gonna, they're just doing their own little thing, I guess. They're not like doing something like all together, they're just doing their little. What I've noticed is that they have their left hand on the left hip. You make me feeling like a psycho. Hip, roll, out, nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull, back, forth, let it go away. Back, forth, out, down, nod, out, nod, left, nod. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull, do the same thing. Back, forth, slide now, and do your own little thing. Alright.
그리고 또 변화 그리고 녹여안아 You got me feeling like a psycho psycho 우리 보고 말이 자꾸 다시 안 볼 듯 싸우다가도 떠다니니 말야 이해가 안 간대 웃기지도 않대 맞아 psycho 서로 좋아질 땐 바보 너 없인 어지럽고 슬퍼져 기운도 많았어요 둘이 잘 만났대.
Alright guys, that was the dance tutorial. I hope you really liked it. It's my first time doing this, so I know it's not perfect. Don't worry, you don't have to tell me, or if there's any mistakes, please tell me. But other than that, please like and subscribe if you want to see more of these kind of tutorials. And yeah, love you.